Hi, I'm Mango. Let's try some Cantonese flashcards. This week, we will be doing family members. Father, Papa. Mother, Mama. Older brother, Gogo. Younger brother, Dai Dai. Older sister, Jie Jie. Younger sister, Mui Mui. Grandfather on the father's side, Ye Ye. Grandmother on the father's side, Ma Ma. Grandfather on the mother's side, Gong Gong. Grandmother on the mother's side, Paw Paw. Good job so far. Let's test your knowledge. Good luck. Older brother, Gogo. Father, Papa. Grandmother on the mother's side, Paw Paw. Grandfather on the father's side, Ye Ye. Mother, Mama. Older sister, Jie Jie. Grandmother on the father's side, Ma Ma. Younger brother, Dai Dai. Grandfather on the mother's side, Gong Gong. Younger sister, Mui Mui. Good job. Make sure you keep practicing. It's time for my nap. I'll see you next time.